Welcome to modern farming. Food and clothes are the basic needs of human. All the livings on land need food for their survival. World population is increasing. This increased the demand of food and other things. Plants are the major source of all these things. Farmers grow crops to feed the population. We need 70% more food available by 2050. There is a need to increase productivity and reduce waste. We must help farmers to train and share knowledge with them. Farmers also need better access to market for selling their products more profitably. This increases the money they earn and create more jobs. Plant diseases and pests are also reducing the yield of crops. To get maximum production, we have to protect them from diseases. We must have to devise methods that are eco-friendly and natural. Agriculture is essential to green economy. Let's invest in agriculture research and create science-based policies that give farmers a variety of innovative solutions. Let's enhance agriculture ability to create jobs and protect environment.